Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Portronics Breeze Plus portable Bluetooth speaker. On the front of the box, we have an image of the product itself. The Portronics branding is on the top and the Breeze Plus model name is below that. On the right hand side of the box, we have some information regarding the product. For example, it's 20-watt power output, loud and clear sound, and underneath that we have some information about the product like its brand name, which we already know to be Portronics, model ID which is Breeze Plus, POR-545. We have the gray variant of the product and the generic name which is portable speaker. Underneath that we have some manufacturing and importing information, and underneath that we have the customer care information. To the bottom right we have the logo certifying this product to be BIS certified. On the right hand side, we have some warranty information, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. On the left hand side of the package, we have some of the salient features, which include super solid base, power saver design, an inbuilt microphone, true wireless stereo functionality, a high quality battery, which is actually a 2000 mAh high quality battery, and it has an IPx6 water resistant rating. The back of the box is exactly the same as the front. On top, we just have the Portronics logo, and on the bottom, we have nothing. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. What we get inside the box is some literature. First up, we have the user manual. This should help you get started off with understanding the various functions and buttons of this Bluetooth speaker. Next up, we have this warranty registration card, which has a QR code that can help you register for the warranty. But once again, we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Next up, we have this charging cable. It has a USB type A interface on one end and a micro USB interface on the other. The cable length is approximately 22 to 23 inches long. Coming to the speaker itself, as we already know, it has a gray color theme going for it. There's this fabric that runs all around the sides of the speaker, except for right here on the back and on the top and on the bottom, where there is a rubberized finish. While we are on the back, let's go through the various buttons. The power button is on the top. The volume buttons are underneath that. There's a symbol that looks like an infinity symbol, which is basically to enable the TWS functionality of this speaker. Next up is the Bluetooth button. Underneath that we have some Portronics branding, and once again we see the BIS certification. Here we also have a little hatch which hides the a couple of interfaces. First up on the bottom is the charging interface, micro USB, as we saw on the cable as well, and we have a 3.5 mm audio jack as well in case you want to use the speaker in its wired configuration. On top and on the bottom we have some Portronics branding, and that is on the subwoofer units of the speaker. Here we have a shoelace like carrying strap as well, basically to help it be more portable, and you can use it to hang it around or just for easy carrying. That's about it in terms of what came in the box. So let's get started with using this speaker. To get started with using the speaker, we'll have to turn it on first.
Power on, Bluetooth mode.
Since this is the first time we are powering the device on, it goes into pairing mode automatically. Next up, we need to search for the device in the available devices section of our Bluetooth menu. Here we see that the device is present. It's called Breeze Plus. Tap on it to begin the pairing process.
Device paired.
Now that the device is paired, we can see that it is ready for calls and media playback. We can also see that the battery level is at 100%. Now you can use the speaker to listen to your favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the Portronics Breeze Plus Bluetooth speaker. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.